Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be vlogging on how I'm going to style my hair. Like, I made this hair for like just okay, it's not up to a month, so I want to style it. So just watch. I want to style my head. It's kind of dirty, I need to wash it. I want to style it in the middle, like the middle color. Okay, so just watch. Okay. See, just style it like this. hmm I don't have brush, but it's looking really nice. Like, so how did you see? How did you see my hair? Hope it's beautiful, 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 beautiful. So that's how you style your hair. This is called twin. This is called twin styling. I would have rolled it to be one so that it wouldn't be reflecting here, but I think I love it this way. I think I love it this way. So what do you think, guys? Just drop it on the comment section. Drop it in the comment section what you think on my hair styling, how I style this, my braided Ghana weaving. No, is it Ghana weaving? No, knotless braid. Yes, how I style this knotless braid into twin chuku. That's what they call it here. It's called chuku. So share with me, guys, on the comment section what you think, and do not forget to like, do not forget to share, comment